Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Dark Pool Daily Whisper for July 3rd. Before we go into today's trades, yesterday's whispers were hot. Hope you guys got them. 20% gains, 43 targets were hit. Yeah, that's pretty big for one day. We had great retracement trade on Roku. Those prints on the VIX were so key. Gold futures exploded. I'm going to get into that in more detail. TLT, I took that trade. That was great. The short on OIH was great. The short on AAL below those big prints. Yeah, that's based on the stocks. If you trade options, gains are so much higher. But still, really good stuff yesterday. So I know many of you are probably not here today. Look, if the market's opened, I'm going to be trading. Half day or not, there are some really fantastic trades to take. So let's get started with the SPY. We're going to be bullish above 298, really key level. Going to be bearish for a retracement trade below 296.87. Then I can see probably a pullback down. So yeah, just watch those key levels, and we'll watch any real-time prints that come in. If they're big, I'll definitely send out a push notification. If you trade the E-minis, going to be bullish above 29.89, and we are in retracement mode below 29.8350. The Russell, we're going to be bullish above 156.25. Yeah, there's a lot of room to go up here. There's really no resistance if we do break above 156.25. And bearish below 155. That's a retracement trade for the Russell. The Qs have been super strong. We're above all the dark pool prints, but bullish above 190.150 this morning. And bearish below 190.37 for a retracement trade. Let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, oil's been a great trade. It's been pretty weak. We're going to be bullish only above 57.37, and that would be above this pivot. And we're going to be bearish below 56. We had high pre-market volume between 56.04 and 56.29. That's why I'm bearish below 56, giving it some room in the zone right here. Gold futures. Holy cow, gold futures. Check those out. All right, so they gapped up. We are pulling back this morning. You know what I want to show you is, I got to show you this chart. Got to show you this weekly chart. This is what we've been watching for weeks, actually for years. This is the best chart ever. I'm going to actually make this big for you so you can see. Yeah, what we're looking at is this trend line right here. And if I go back, okay, you can see it's really powerful. All the way back in 2016, it was resistance, it was support, it was resistance, resistance. It's resistance again. I'm going to zoom in now so you can see what I'm talking about. We up-thrusted on it last week. We up-thrusted again this week. Are we going to close above this trend line? This is so key. We do have Friday, so this weekly candle is not closed yet, but that is suspenseful. It's about like 14.26. And what I love about the Thinkorswim software is on my 5-minute chart, it actually shows me where that trend line is. So I'm always watching to see if we're above it, below it. It's awesome. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. I'm going to be bullish above 14.3050, yeah, above that trend line. Going to be bearish below 14.25. We just broke below for a retracement trade. We had high pre-market volume between 14.2730 and 14.3040. That's why these are my levels. And let me go to SYMC, right? Talk of a takeover, buyout. Still moving. Bullish above 26.50. Bearish below 25 for a retracement trade. Tesla had earnings and the stock likes it. Bullish above 242.50 and bearish below 239. I spotted a seller at 244. He's still there on the ARCA book. See this guy? And then I did spot a buyer at 239. He's still there. All right, those are pretty key levels for Tesla. GDX. GDX going to be bullish above 26.20, and retracement trade is on right now. Bearish below 25.75. UNG is going. Yep, this looked really good this morning. Pre-market volume, natural gas futures. Let me just show you those quickly so you can kind of see what I looked at this morning. Yeah, if you're in my room, you see me actually doing this. I started at 3:30 in the morning, Vegas time. Yeah, we broke above this pivot on really good volume this morning. We are hitting R1 right now, so could be a little bit of resistance. If we break through on the natural gas futures, 228, there's a lot of room to go to the upside. So keep your eye on that. Let me just put this back for my traders. So UNG, yep, starting to make a move. Bullish above. Watch this 8 exponential moving average. This is really key. We are right up against it. We really need to break above that. It's right about that 1955 level. So, yep, that's going to be key. And when we come up to these levels, this is where eye training comes in. I look and see if there is refreshing going on the offer. That's an iceberg order. And that is if they're selling and hiding it. And that's really key. That's what I teach my traders. Old-fashioned tape reading. So yeah, bullish above there and bearish below 1925. FXI, massive prints yesterday on China. Bullish only above 43.55, bearish below 43. The prints were at 43.28. VWO, emerging market ETF. Yeah, this is Brazil, Russia, India, China. Massive 6.5 million came in yesterday, highly unusual. So bullish above 43.25, bearish below 42.80. I actually prefer trading EEM. Same thing, just watch those levels on VWO. The options are better on EEM. Let's go to CGC. Getting killed actually went and did it already hit these? Let's see, bearish below, yep, unbelievable. Bearish below 38. Sometimes I can't get it out fast enough. You know, I have a lot of whispers today. But bearish below 38.25. Let me just see if there's anybody new on the book. So there is about, it's all over the place. And we just hit 8 o'clock, so volume's coming in. Yeah, these levels are still key as we go into the open this morning. All right, so watch them, but it's definitely trading all over, really thin right now. But those are key levels to watch for the open. Let's go to Facebook. That is not moving so much, is it? All right, bullish above 194.50 and bearish below 193.25. XLF, massive prints, really big spread this morning. We're going to be bullish above 28.03. I tweaked that slightly based on the pivot. Bearish below 27.78. If we do break below all those prints, massive amounts between 27.81 and 28. And we got STM. We had a lot of big prints on these. Actually, 2 sets of prints on this guy. We had 18.14 yesterday and 18.30 the day before. So bullish above 18.37 and bearish below 18. There you have it. Those are your daily whispers. Stay tuned for any big prints. Yeah, and happy July 4th, everybody. Yeah, enjoy your day off tomorrow and get ready for Friday. I have a feeling Friday is going to be a really good day. Happy trading, everybody.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.